Hey everyone, Sandeep here from 99signals.com, and in this video, I'll be revealing my top 3 picks from AppSumo's lifetime deals for August. Remember that these deals will be live at AppSumo for a limited time, so be sure to grab them before they're all sold out. You can find links to all these lifetime deals in the description of the video. With that said, let's begin. My first pick is SpiderNow. SpiderNow is an SEO tool that scans your website for technical SEO and performance issues and offers you the exact steps on how to fix them. If you're looking for a technical SEO tool and don't have the budget for SEMrush or Ahrefs, then grabbing a lifetime deal on SpiderNow is a smart choice. What I really like about SpiderNow is how easy it is to use and how quickly it identifies technical and performance issues for any page on your website. To get started, you just need to enter your domain or a specific URL that you'd like to analyze. Once you've done that, SpiderNow will offer a complete breakdown of all the issues, including issues with your meta tags, broken links, and image SEO. It'll also offer recommendations on each issue, so you know exactly what you need to do to improve your site's SEO. SpiderNow also identifies issues with your site performance and page speed, providing scores on performance, accessibility, best practices, and SEO. Plus, it offers other tools like Page Analysis Tool to check your site's page speed insights and core web vitals, Image Tool to compress and optimize your images, and a Keyword Research Tool to check things like word count and keyword density. Now, typically you would have to pay over $230 a year for SpiderNow's standard plan. But with AppSumo, you can get lifetime access to SpiderNow for just $59. You can check out the link in the description to learn more about SpiderNow at AppSumo. My second pick is MyMeet, an AI-powered tool that helps you schedule, video chat, and summarize client meetings. This tool was a part of my last month's picks for the best deals on AppSumo and is still live at the time of publishing this video. You can check out an in-depth review and tutorial of MyMeet on my channel to learn more about how you can set up your meetings and use the AI summary feature that this tool offers. The link is included in the description, but I'll provide a short summary of what this tool can do for you. First off, you can use MyMeet as a scheduler and a calendar booking app. It lets you create a fully branded booking page, which you can then share with your clients and prospects to book and schedule your meetings. But the standout feature for me is that it uses AI to instantly summarize and transcribe all your meetings. So instead of taking notes during your meeting or jogging your memory to send those action item emails to your clients, you can let MyMeet's AI do the heavy lifting for you. To generate AI summaries of your meetings, go to completed bookings or go to instant meeting history and click on the AI summary icon under the actions column. You'll then get a neat summary of your meeting along with bullet points, action items, and a complete transcription of the meeting. Now, the regular pricing of MyMeet is over $140 a year, but with AppSumo, you can get lifetime access to MyMeet for just $49. The Tier 1 plan offers 120 minutes of AI summary each month. If you have more meetings, then you should probably go for Tier 2 or Tier 3 plan. You can check out the link in the description to learn more about the MyMeet lifetime deal at AppSumo. My third and final pick is URL Monitor. URL Monitor is an index monitoring tool that lets you quickly index your pages on Google and track the indexing status to drive more organic traffic. To get started, you need to connect your Google Search Console to URL Monitor. Once it's connected, you will get a summary of all the indexed pages on your website and the index status of all your pages. Below the summary, you'll see all the pages on your site alongside data points like the index status, the submission date, and the page health. To index a page, you just need to select the specific page and submit the page for indexing. You can also de-index a page if you wish to do so. If you don't want to index your pages manually, you can select the auto index feature and put your indexing on autopilot to save time. In addition to this, you can enable index emails to get daily alerts on the indexing status of your pages. Now, typically, you would have to pay $59 a month for URL Monitor. But with AppSumo, you can get lifetime access to URL Monitor for just $69. With the Tier 1 plan, you can manage up to 5 websites. If you run multiple websites or have an SEO agency where you manage multiple clients, you can go with Tier 2 or Tier 3 plan. To learn more about this deal, you can check out the link in the description. So there you have it, my top 3 deals from AppSumo's August lineup. If any of these deals caught your eye, be sure to grab them quickly because they're available on AppSumo only for a limited time. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to check out my other reviews and tutorials of trending SaaS tools and make sure to subscribe to this channel for more valuable content. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.